Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Magic Talk Show, the education podcast channel that helps students and professionals to build successful career by learning about leadership, management skills, entrepreneurship, and build a growth mindset to stand out in their career journey. In our exclusive series called Kitab Shala, we have creatively curated 7 lessons in 7 minutes from the incredible life transforming books which will put you and your success on fast forward mode. Each nugget of wisdom is like golden key unlocking the doors to personal and professional transformation. This format of 7 lessons in 7 minutes, which help you to digest the toughest lessons learning from the book with fun and joyous experience. Come and join us in this movement. If you want a weekly dose of motivation through self-help books, do follow our Magic Talk Show podcast and press the bell icon to stay updated on our podcast release on every Thursday and Sunday. Also, don't forget to rate our episode if you like it. Today, in this episode, we will uncover a book called Do It Today by Darius Forox. Straightforward approach and actionable advices make this book accessible and applicable to individuals seeking positive changes in their daily lives. Do It Today by Darius Forox is a compelling and pragmatic guide that skillfully addresses the pervasive issue of procrastination. He provides readers with a roadmap for conquering inertia and embracing a proactive approach to life. Through straightforward advice and actionable tips, the author dismantles the barriers of productivity and time management, offering a refreshing perspective on seizing the present moment. The book is a treasure trove of practical wisdom, encouraging readers to break free from the shackles of delay and makes meaningful changes to their daily routines. His writing style is engaging and relatable, making complex concepts accessible to a broad audiences. The emphasis on taking immediate action resonates throughout the book, inspiring the readers to translate insights into tangible results. With a keen focus on empowering individuals, he cultivates a mindset that prioritizes effectiveness over efficiency, fostering lasting habits for personal and professional success. Do It Today stands out as an indispensable resource for anyone seeking to transform procrastination into purposeful action, ultimately reshaping their approach to time and productivity. Here are the 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson 1: The Power of Immediate Action. The author highlights how doing things right away is a superpower. The book says it's crucial to not wait around but to start the task quickly. It's all about not putting things off. The idea is to get things done today instead of later. By following these advices, people can get into grow of finishing more stuff. It's like a way to keep the ball rolling and be more successful. So, the key is to act fast and not let the things wait. This way, you can achieve more and avoid putting things off. Number 2, dissecting tasks into practical steps. He suggests a cool idea in Do It Today. Instead of tackling big tasks all at once, break them into smaller steps. This makes things way easier to handle. The book gives real life tips on how to deal with feeling swamped by concentrating on just one step at a time. It's like making a big job less scary by taking it one piece at a time. By doing this, you can begin tasks more easily and actually finish them. So, the trick is to chop up big tasks into smaller one doable steps for a smoother ride. Let's understand it with one example. Imagine you have to write a big research paper. Instead of tackling the whole thing at once, break it into smaller steps. On day 1, choose a topic. Day 2, create an outline. Day 3, write the introduction. Day 4, 5 and 6, work on body paragraph 1 at a time. Day 7, craft the conclusion. Day 8 and 9, edit and refine. By doing it step by step, the task becomes more manageable, making it easier to start and finish. Isn't that amazing? Lesson 3, prioritizing and time management. The author dives into the smart moves of picking what do you do first and managing time well. The book talks about cool ways to figure out and handle the most important task. He gives tips on how to spot and take care of high priority stuff so you spend your time on what really counts. It's like a guide to making sure your energy goes into the things that matter the most. So, the book is all about being clever with your time, focusing on the important stuff, and getting things done the right way. Let's understand it with one example again. Let's say you have a list of tasks for the day. Instead of randomly picking, the book suggests number one, identify priority. Figure out the most crucial task for the day, like a work deadline. Two, focus work, that is midday. Spend the prime hours working on the priority when your energy is high. Three, delegate or postpone, that is afternoon. Handle less important tasks or delegate if possible. Number four, reflect and adjust. Evaluate what you accomplish, adjust priorities for the next day. By prioritizing and managing the time this way, you ensure the important stuff get you best energy and attention, leading to more effective and efficient work. Lesson 4, curbing the distractions. The author talks about how distractions can mess with getting things done. The book gives useful tips on cutting down interruptions and setting up a space where you can really focus. It's like a guide to creating a work zone where you won't get sidetracked. He wants readers to be able to concentrate on the task without things getting in the way. So, the idea is to get rid of the distractions, make a focused work area, and get stuff done without any unnecessary hiccups. Lesson 5, developing consistent habit. He really thinks it's super important to make habits that you do it at the time. In the book, Do It Today, the book talks about setting up regular routine that matches your goals. It's like creating habits that stick around for a long run. He helps readers figure out how to make habits that keep them productive and growing personally. So, the book is all about building habits that go hand in hand with what you want to achieve, making it a steady and lasting way to be successful. Lesson 6, overcoming perfectionism. The author takes on the tough stuff of wanting everything to be perfect and being scared of making mistakes. The book says it's okay not to be perfect and tell readers to accept that. He thinks it's better to learn from the mistake and just do things even if they are not perfect, instead of waiting for everything just to be right. It's like a push to take action even if it's not flawless. So, the idea is to get over the need of perfection, learn from mistakes, and take action without waiting for things to be absolutely perfect. Lesson 7, promoting a cheerful outlook. The author talks a lot about how having a positive mindset is a key to beating procrastination. The book dives into how changing the way you see things, staying optimistic, keeping can do attitude help you get motivated and be productive. It's like a guide to think in the positive way to get things done. He believes that having the right mindset is a big part of beating procrastination and being successful. So, the book is all about cultivating a positive way of thinking that fuels your motivation and productivity day by day. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. We just zipped through the key lessons from the book Do It Today in under 7 minutes. Whether you are aiming for a personal or a professional development, Do It Today offers valuable insights and practical strategies to help you seize the present moment and act and achieve your goals. See, I told you, you don't need to be book expert to enjoy this. We have made it short and sweet in Kitab Shala. And in the next episode, we will cover insights from the book Manifest, which is a beacon of inspiration and practical guidance for anyone seeking more fulfilling life.